Hey beauties, I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And in today's video, I'm so excited we're doing the Kylie Jenner birthday collection review. This is my first time trying Kylie, so I'm super excited about that. We did this look today. We did a little bit of a tutorial, so if you're interested in knowing my review of the products or just seeing the packaging and all that, stay tuned and you know the drill. Let's get right into it. Alright beauties, let's get into this product review. I'm super excited about Kylie's new collection. It came in a super pretty box like this with a little picture of her. And this is actually my first Kylie product, so it will be a true first impression. So to start off in the first box, we have this Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner. So it's like a lip kit. It has like really sparkly pink glitter and like the money drips. Love the packaging. And then we also have this Kylie Jenner High Gloss, has the glitter again, and just the word money all over it. And the next product we have is this Kylie Jenner Jelly Highlighter. I was super excited about this. I've always wanted to try a jelly highlighter, so I figured why not try it with Kylie's for the first time. It has these little glitter money signs and the word Kylie across the front. So the next item we have is the Eyeliner Liquid Pen. It's just a liquid eyeliner, so that'll be really cool. See if we can get a snatched wing. And last but not least, we have the all iconic Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette. It says, "You're so money, baby." Love the packaging on all of these products. So I'm so excited to get into the product review. So to start off, I have my foundation, concealer, bronzer, and eyebrows on just to give us a base. And I think we should start off with eyeshadow. So we're going to go into the pressed powder palette. So opening the product, it says, "You're so money, baby," with glitter across the top. And here we go. That is so beautiful. Sorry, you can see my ring light. It has money across the mirror in all these shades, and then of course the protective plastic sheet. So let's get into the look. So first I want to start off by swatching a few of the shades just to see how their formula is, and just because they're so beautiful and I'm excited. So I'm going to start with this one right here, the Goal Setter. That is so pretty. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It's a very shimmery pink and it went on so smoothly. This formula is amazing. Next, I really want to go into this one right here, Time for Cake. So just another swatch on my wrist. It's definitely a little bit flaky, but it's still a very beautiful shade with a lot of shine to it. This is what they look like on my fingers. And for our last swatch, I'm going to go into this one right here, On a Budget. Again, very smooth, very nice. Love Kylie's formula. So to start off our look, I'm going to go in with a transition shade, and for this one, I'm going to go in with Blue Faces. This shade is so pretty. It's like a really light mauvey pink and it blended so easily. Next I'm going to go with On a Budget, the one that we swatched all over my lid. Now we have this really light pink look all over the lid and the shades are blending beautifully. And next I'm going to go into Bands, a little bit of a darker shade to put into my outer corners. And next I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm going to take a little flat packing brush and my Day One concealer and I'm just going to cut my crease. So after using the product for a little bit, my first impression is that these shades are amazing. They're very pigmented and they blend really easily, and the palette is very versatile and the colors are so beautiful. So continuing on with the look, I'm going to take 22 and a little bit of Goal Setter on my finger and just pat that onto the cut crease. Glitter shades work 1,000 times better if you apply them with your finger, so that's why I did that. And I think if I did this look again, I would use long money instead of bands in my outer corner. The shade 22 is so beautiful, I just need to swatch it for you guys. So I'm just going to swipe it across my wrist. It is a very, very shimmery pink, and it is so beautiful, and it went easily on the eyes, so I love that. So I went ahead and I added Goal Setter right next to 22 on my eyelids in the cut crease, and I really think that adds a perfect transition into the outer corner. So the eye look is almost complete. I'm going to go in with a small pencil brush, and I'm going to take long money and a little bit of bands, and I'm going to put that under my eyes. So now I'm back and we're all cleaned up, and I went ahead and I added Time is Money as a little inner corner highlight just to give a little bit of brightness. So I think that is it for the eyeshadow. So now we can move on to our next product, and we have the Kylie Jenner Eyeliner. This is her first liquid liner, so I'm super excited about that, and I got it in black. So this is the product. It is a matte black tube with Eyeliner written across the front in silver. And then it is a brush tip, which I think is the best because you get a really sharp wing and it's just easier to apply as opposed to a felt tip. So I'm going to go off camera just because I like to get really detailed into my eyeliner, and then I'll come back for the review. And now we're back with our wings. I do need practice on my wings. I'm a little bit rusty, but the eyeliner went on very smoothly. I'll do a little bit of a swatch for you. It's very pigmented and it went over the shadows very easily, so it is a very nice eyeliner. And compared to the Kat Von D tattoo liner, it's very similar. I haven't tried very many other liquid liners, but Kat Von D is the best, so Kylie's can definitely compare. So next product we're going to review is her Jelly Highlighter. This is the product I'm most excited for. I got it in the shade 22 Carats. So let's open her up. So out of the box it just looks like this. And on the side you can see the product, and it says Kylie all across the front. It's very jelly-like. I don't know if you can see how liquidy it is. Just because there's a lot of product on this little lid that it came with, I'm going to swatch from here. Taking my finger. Ooh, can you see that? I'm going to take that little bit and I'm going to wipe it across my arm. That is so smooth. It blended very easily, and I love the shine on that. Very pigmented as well, but not like pigmented in a way that like it's overwhelming. It's like the perfect highlighter. It's a little bit sticky to touch before it dries, but I can feel it already drying down, so that's really good. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my finger and I'm going to apply it across my cheek, and then we might set it with a little bit of powder highlighter. So this is what it looks like with just the highlighter, no powder on top. It is very shimmery and it adds like the perfect little highlight. It's definitely a very strong highlight, and if you've seen Kylie Jenner's Drunk Get Ready With Me, I totally recommend the video, 10 out of 10. But if you saw it, she said that a little goes a long way, and I definitely agree. I just had the slightest bit on my finger and it was definitely a little bit more than I should have used, but it is a very beautiful highlighter and I 10 out of 10 recommend. So now I'm going to go in with the Laura Geller highlighter and I'm just going to set that. So I went ahead and I added a little bit to my nose, my bridge, my inner corner, and my brow highlight. So now we are very glowy, and my final review on the product is that it is a very nice highlighter. It is a jelly highlighter, so it's a little bit hard to work with, but once you get it, it is a very beautiful product. Real quick, I do want to say that upon trying to put the lid back on, it did get a little bit messy. I got it all over my fingers, but I ended up just rubbing it on my body, kind of as a body glitter. But yeah, be careful when opening the package. And now our two final products is the Kylie Jenner High Gloss and the Kylie Jenner Lip Kit. So I'm going to go in with the lip kit, opening her. This is the shade Kylie. So in the box you get this really pretty pink velvet liquid lipstick, and then of course the iconic Kylie Jenner lip liner. So I'm going to put this duo on my lips and I'll be right back. Okay, before I put it on, I just opened the package and it smells so good. It smells like frosting and cupcakes. It just smells so yummy. It makes me want to eat it, but of course I'm not. So again, I'll be right back with it on my lips. So now I'm back with the lipstick on. It is a very pretty pink shade. The products went on very smoothly and it was just like one coat and it was done, so they're very pigmented. And as my first Kylie Jenner lip kit, I 10 out of 10 approve. And now for our last and final product, we have the Kylie Jenner Gloss. I'm super excited about this. Seeing the photos on her Instagram and just her swatching it on her arm, they look beautiful. I got the shade 1 in a Billion. I can't believe Kylie Jenner is a billionaire, like, goals. This is the product out of the box. It is a very, very pretty pink. It comes in this pink packaging. I'm loving all the matching packaging, by the way. It is a very cute theme with the money and everything, especially because she's a billionaire now. And let's just open her up. Ooh, did you see that? Very jelly-like. And we're just going to apply that to the lips. So it is a little bit sticky, but it went on very smoothly and it made my lips look very glossy, which as it should. So yeah, again, 10 out of 10 approved. So I'm just going to go off camera really quick and finish off the look with a little bit of lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back for the overall final review. And now we're back, and this is the completed look. And for my final review on the Kylie Jenner Birthday Collection, I loved every single product that I got. Again, this is my first time trying Kylie, but I loved everything as a first reviewer, and I think my favorite product was either the eyeshadow palette or the jelly highlighter. It was just fun trying the new products, and her eyeshadows blended and it came out amazing. They're very pigmented. So yeah, I recommend everything that I tried today. I cannot speak for everything else on her collection, but I'm sure it's amazing. It's Kylie Jenner, come on. And with that, we made it to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them down below. And if you like the video, give it a like. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!